So the Buffalo vacuum pack machine is absolutely fantastic. You can get the bigger bags in, so we can do things like our Sunday roasts. We actually vacuum pack the entire joint of beef and the entire joints of lamb. You know, we can adjust the seal time and the strength, so it just works perfectly. We came up with a dish which really is quite simple, of lamb rump, courgette and red pepper. Place them in the sous vide machine at 62 degrees for an hour and a half. It will cook the meat evenly throughout, keeping it really nice and pink inside. And as you put your aromats within the bag, your thyme and your rosemary, the meat will actually take on the flavour. We did a red pepper puree, which is simply the red peppers into the Waring blender, and we just put that on full, and as the blade heated up, it just thickened the puree. Quite a simple dish, but nice. So the Fifield Inn is a really nice country village pub. We stick to British, we stick to seasonal, and we stick to as local as possible. The quality of the product has to match the quality of the food. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So everything needs to be right. And the products we use, deliver.